Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to BGS Technology new another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you log in Kotha apps. Yes guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you log in Kotha apps. So not learning my introduction, if you new member in our channel, now click the subscribe button. And if you watch this video on other social medias, now follow me to get more exciting video. So let's see how you log in Kotha apps.
So first of all, we're going to the our Kotha apps, and first of all you need to select your language. Here is Bangla or English. So I selected in English language. So we're going to the next level and agree and continue. We're click here and here give your Kotha apps number. So I give my number. When you give your number, then you click get OTP. Click here. So they give you a code in 1 minute. So here code is coming and automatically this code is set here, and I'm going to the next step. So if you want to give your contact access, you give okay, and if you don't want to give access your contact access, you click don't allow. So I give don't allow. And if you want to change your profile picture or name, now customize from here. See, I don't want it, that's why I click the mark up. So we are logging our Kotha apps. Here is our chats, our post, everything is here, and they need to sometimes to give up our giving our every chats list, and here is our feed. So I think hope that you will be clear. Hope that how you log in your Kotha apps.
Yes guys, it was today's video. If you want to watch our more exciting upcoming video, now click the subscribe button if you watch this video YouTube. And if you watch this video and other social media, now follow me to get upcoming exciting video. So see you later. Assalamu Alaikum.